असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय.
First time I came over here and heard about this institution, and in front of me all the media peoples are present. So this time you have some slogan that pharmacy this year, the pharmacy united in action for a healthier world. It's a very good slogan. During our time, we never have thought of that we had this kind of institution in Tripura. Today, when I entered and I visited the blood donation camp, and when I asked the students from where you have come from, they said that in different states of Northeast, mostly, they have come. So I feel very happy that during our time, we were to go outside for this kind of study, particularly G Pharma, then B Pharma, then M Pharma also have started. Dr. Chinmoy Biswas was telling me. So this is a proud moment for us that in Tripura also there is a really appreciable thing that Regional Institute has been set up here. I know regarding this institution, in this institution there are some faculty scarcity. So in that direction, already we have directed our officials to fulfill all the backend or as per requisition of this institution. And it should be immediately fulfilled, because without teachers one cannot be totally grown up or will not be properly taught, or in future also they cannot provide their excellence in their field.